If you're a homeowner, there's a good chance you'll have to use a plumbing snake at some point. This is an important tool for clearing drains and sewer lines. A plumbing snake, also known as an auger, is a long metal coil that can be inserted into pipes to clear blockages. This video explains how to use a plumbing snake and highlights its importance for your plumbing system. There are a few circumstances when you might need to use a plumbing snake. First, if your drains are draining more slowly than usual, it could signify a clog. If you tried using a plunger or other Drano-type product with no luck, it's time to break out the plumbing snake. Another time you might need to use a plumbing snake is if you have a sewer line backup. This is usually caused by tree roots growing into your sewer line and causing an obstruction. If you have this problem, you'll likely need to call a professional plumber to help clear the blockage. The last circumstance you might need to use a plumbing snake is if you notice water pooling around your home's foundation. This could signify a blocked sewer line and should be addressed immediately. Now that we've gone over when to use a plumbing snake, let's talk about how to use one. If you are using a plumbing snake, remember to cover the floor around the clog so the surface does not get dirty or wet. If using a handheld plumbing snake, insert the tip into the drain, turn the handle to spin the auger, and break up the clog. Slowly pull the plumbing snake out of the drain and dispose of the debris. If you're using a power auger, the process is similar. Start by inserting the tip into the drain and turning on the power. The auger will spin and break up the clog. Slowly pull the plumbing snake out of the drain and dispose of the debris. Can a drain snake break a pipe? The short answer is yes, a drain snake can break a pipe. However, this is not always the case. It depends on a few factors. First, if the pipe is old and made of brittle material, it's more likely to break. Second, if the clog is large and tough. The snake can put too much pressure on the pipe and cause it to break. And lastly, if you are not careful when using the snake, you can put too much force on the pipe and cause it to break. If you do break a pipe while using a drain snake, don't panic. Usually, the damage is not severe and can be easily fixed by a professional plumber. Now that we've gone over how to use a plumbing snake, let's discuss some safety considerations. First, as we mentioned earlier, always wear gloves when using a plumbing snake. This protects your hands from cuts and scrapes. Second, be careful not to put too much pressure on the pipe. And last, if you are using a power auger, be careful not to hit anything with the tip. Hitting a hard object can damage the auger and cause it to break. These simple safety tips will help you use a plumbing snake without incident. Now that we've gone over the basics of using a plumbing snake, let's talk about the different kinds of drain snakes. There are two main types of drain snakes, handheld and power augers. Handheld snakes are smaller and more maneuverable, making them ideal for small clogs. Power augers are larger and have more power, making them better for larger clogs. There are also different kinds of augers, depending on the material they're made of. The most common type of auger is a steel auger. These are strong and can break up tough clogs. However, they can also damage pipes if not used carefully. Another type of auger is a plastic auger. These are not as strong as steel augers, but they are less likely to damage pipes. Finally, there are also drain snakes that come with attachments, such as brushes or cutting blades. These can be useful for breaking up tough clogs or removing stubborn debris. If you need help clearing a clog, contact your local HVAC company or plumber for assistance. They will be able to recommend the best type of drain snake for your needs. As you can see, a plumbing snake is a useful tool for clearing drains and sewer lines. Knowing how to use one is important so you can address clogs quickly and efficiently. Contact your local HVAC company or plumber for assistance if you have any questions about using a plumbing snake or need help clearing a drain. Are you in need of a snake? Kalka Plumbing Heating and Air is your trusted plumbing company in Irvine, California. We have the experience and expertise to clear any clog, no matter how big or small. Contact us today to schedule a service. Kalka Plumbing Heating and Air, Irvine. Kalka Plumbing Heating and Air is located in Irvine and services all Orange County residents and businesses for plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. At Kalka Plumbing, Heating and Air, our goal is to offer the most reasonably priced plumbing and HVAC work in Orange County and the surrounding cities. Because we value our customers, we do everything we can to keep service costs down without skimping on quality. We also pride ourselves on serving our customers for almost 3 decades. Call us by phone at 949-458-6600.